All user requests first go to the AWS Elastic Load Balancer, which distributes traffic evenly across multiple servers. The application layer contains different servers like LMS, SIS, exam system, website, and APIs. These services run on scalable EC2 instances or container-based microservices to ensure flexibility and performance. All data is stored securely in AWS RDS with a primary and standby database for high availability and backup replication. Files, documents, and backups are stored in AWS S3 buckets, ensuring scalable and secure storage. The system is protected using IAM for access control, security groups as firewall, VPC for isolation, and MFA for secure login. This architecture ensures a secure, scalable, and highly available university system that can handle heavy traffic efficiently.